Hop into the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.